Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add fence to your house in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to go to this menu. I'm going to select solo building and we're going to add fence. Wait, it's still loading guys. Alright, and then go to this menu and select building material, select fence, and you can add the fence that you like. I'm going to choose this one, and then you can place the fence on the plot. For example, I'm going to place here like this. Okay, or if you want to create a long fence, you can go to this menu. Okay, and you can try to put the fence like this. Okay, and then you can stretch the fence. Okay, it will make you easier in placing the fence. Okay, and close it. All right, and this is the result, and you can customize it as you like guys. I'm going to remove for example this one. Okay guys, and that's how you can add fans to your house in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.